In this video, we will be discussing deleting faces. If you'd like to follow along with this video, please open the file deletingfaces.dwg located in the Working Files folder as discussed in the Working with this dataset video. As you create and refine your solid model, you may decide that you no longer want various aspects of the design. For example, you may have rounded an edge or added material that you no longer need. You can use the delete faces command to remove faces from the solid model. For you to delete faces, the faces on the remaining solid model must be able to create a closed object. If the removal of a face would cause a model to no longer be defined as a solid model, the deletion of the selected faces will not occur. Let's navigate to the Home tab, Solid Editing panel, and then we have the Edit Faces dropdown, and then we can select the Delete Faces tool. Again, any of the dropdowns here, simply run the Solid Edit tool invoking the command line option you choose here. Let's choose Delete Faces. Let's go ahead and just select this edge here and press Enter, and notice how it's completely deleted. Notice, though, that the command still stays active. Again, this is the Solid Edit tool, and these are all the different options available in the Solid Edit tool. Let's keep going with the Delete tool, and let's go around the entire part here and select the different faces. Note that if you accidentally select an incorrect face, you can either hold the Shift key down and try to unselect it, which should work, but if that doesn't work, you can use the Remove option right here. Let's press Enter, and our faces are deleted. Let's navigate to the Delete tool, and let's go ahead and try to do this to a primitive solid. We'll select this face, press Enter, and notice how nothing happens. This is because if we were to remove this face, this object will no longer be an actual solid. Let's choose the Delete command again, and one more time, actually go ahead and choose this object here, and then press Enter and watch what happens. Notice how it removes that entire object because that's what needs to be done to make that deletion with this 3D solid. Let's press Escape and let's look at another way to actually delete faces. This may actually be a little bit easier. To delete a face, you can simply hold the Control key down and select the face you want to delete. For instance, let's zoom into this solid, and let's say we wanted to delete this chamfer. If I hold the Control key down, hover over the face and select it, then press the Delete key on the keyboard, notice how it automatically deletes that. That's a pretty cool way of doing it. To do multiple faces, simply hold the Control key down and select the multiple faces that you want to delete. So we'll pick on these two faces here, this one there as well, press Delete, and notice how it updates that object's faces automatically.